We'll show you more of Ophelia's impact in a moment, but right now we want to get you to breaking news in Raleigh, where crews have been working to repair a water main break. WRAL's Aaron Thomas is live on the scene now on Durant Road. And Aaron, you just learned this repair is going to take some time.
Yeah, that's right, Julian. In fact, I just spoke with a NCD and OT employee here on scene within the past 20 minutes. He says all this that you see right here, this hole as a result of that water main break, repairs could last up until Monday morning. The reason for that is because you definitely have crews out here, but they're still waiting for the proper equipment to get here on scene. This is at the intersection of Durant Road and Sharpstone Lane, which is less than 10 minutes away from Falls of Noose Road in North Raleigh. Repair crews we spoke with said that it's unclear if this water main break is a result of impacts from Tropical Storm Ophelia. We're working to find out how many people, if at all, have had their water service interrupted as a result of this water main break, because it is in the middle of a neighborhood. Again, with these repairs expected to last up until late Monday morning, you want to be advised that part of Durant Road will be closed until further notice. Julian?
Aaron Thomas reporting live for us tonight from the WRAL Storm Tracker. Thank you.